Hello friends, welcome back to SS Tech India. Today I am going to show you how you can switch on to full screen mode in your phone and remove the navigation buttons. So let's get started. First open the settings app in your phone. Scroll upwards and find the full screen mode or full screen display option in your phone. Here click on full screen gestures. So friends, you can see that the navigation buttons are removed from your phone and the phone is in full screen mode. If I open any app such as notes or calendar and swipe up from the bottom, it will close automatically like the home button, and if I again open it and swipe from the back, it will work as the back button. Thanks for watching.